Evening, Director.
Yes, sir.
This is
Good evening po.
this is Alan Andrada. We met the last time you were here in Mati.
Mm.
Ang tanong ko po, yung prediction po niyo na magnitude 8 na hindi gumagalaw sa Philippine Trench ba ito or sa Puhada Fault ba ito? Ito na po ba yung magnitude 8 na in-expect natin? Yung 7.6? Sana wala na po yung prediction yun po.
First,
Thank
hindi
you
po
very much.
tayo nag-predict ng Lindol.
Thank
Second,
you.
it's based on the simulation. Yung sinasabi po natin na magnitude 8.1, it's sa Philippine Trends rin po yun, but it's on in sa Samar area. So Eastern Samar. So again, based po yan sa again, modeling natin sa simulation. And that part of the Philippine Trends in Eastern Summer is capable of generating a magnitude 8.1 event. And if that happens, we expect, again, based on simulation, the tsunami waves to be between 8 to 10 meters high.
So yun pong na-mention nyo, sir, ay simulation po ng magnitude 8.1 and also along the Philippine Trench but sa ibang segment po ng Philippine Trench po yun. So ang sinasabi lang po, the threat could be, the threat is still there and the magnitude of the earthquake could be higher than what we had today, no, the magnitude 7.4 and the magnitude 6.8. Thank you. All right, so we have another question ho from Zoom.